Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we forget guys Bluetooth headphone with our Poco phone. Means guys you have connected guys any Bluetooth device and once you have connected guys any Bluetooth headphone guys. This headphone guys you have same these headphones and once you want to forget to your Poco phone, so how can you forget today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon. So first of all guys we will have to on guys phone setting to forget guys this headphone. After on phone setting guys you can see this type of setting guys. So essence click on your phone Bluetooth setting guys, tap here guys, and guys you can see that we have configured this pre-tone BT company Bluetooth headphone guys. We want to forget this device and how to forget this Bluetooth headphone device. Right side tap here guys, you can see your rename option. So when you want to rename guys your device name guys, you want to change guys your Bluetooth headphone device name guys, you can change from here, but guys we will forget means unpair guys, tap here to forget guys, we cannot use. If we use, so you will have to pair again guys, then guys you can use this headphone. So like that guys you can forget your Bluetooth headphone to your Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye friends.